you. 8-year-old African Great Congo. Yes, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a pretty boy. I wanted to give you an update. He's doing very good. He's eating very well. He started to explore his play stand. I just wanted to give you a little bit of Pacino's background. Pacino's owner had passed away, and he was found stressed, and he plucked his shoulders, as you can see, plucked his chest and his shoulders, and he was found eating parakeet seed. Yeah, it was really sad. But, a breeder had him up at the parrot festival, and when I saw him and I held him, I immediately had to bring him home to meet Kenya. He's a good boy.
Kind of smart. It's okay. Kind of smart.
Yeah, Kenya's smart.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Smart.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, smart.